First, you're going to need a glue gun, and this is the hair that I'll be using. First, I'm going to measure around the mannequin head so that I can go ahead and start laying my first piece. You can go to your local store and pick up a hot glue gun. It is less than $10, and the glue sticks are also less than about $3 or $4. While using the glue gun, you do want to make sure that you are very careful because it is extremely hot. So while laying each piece, make sure you watch out for your fingers. Once you're done with that, you want to take the wig cap off, flip it around, and put it right back on the mannequin. And continue to glue each track onto your mannequin's head. closure, all I did was take a little bit of hair that I had left over and took my glue gun and began rolling the hair into a ball. With this part, you do want to be extra careful because the glue will come in contact with your finger. When you're all done, this is how your closure should look. You are now ready to glue it to your wig cap. I noticed that I had a little bit of glue that you can see, so I just took a eyeliner pen that I had in black and just filled it in. You can take a lip pencil as well and fill it in. On hand, I just had an eyeliner pen, so this comes in handy. I began to cut the wig to my liking. As you can see, I am taking my time and I am cutting at an angle. Make sure you do not rush and take your time while doing this. And I'm going to continue to style the wig. Next, I start adding a little bit of mousse just to kind of see what else I needed to cut. So yeah, add you some mousse, girl. The mousse does help keep the hair in place. It does come in handy, ladies. Take a comb to fluff out some of the curls, and yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button and thumbs up this video if you like this video, and until next time, I will see you guys later.